Okay, I'm going to walk through the process to register. You'll first want to sign in. If you've never signed into the TNNA website before, you'll have to reset your password. Once you've logged in, you can navigate to the events page and click on Summer Show. Once here, you can register, click Register Today to register. And then you'll want to click Register for this event. Since you're signed in to your account, it will recognize that you are a member of TNNA. To reduce the $30 fee, you will want to enter your discount code, which you've received in an email. If you don't have the discount code, contact info@tnna.org. Once you've entered your discount code, click Update Price. This will reduce the price to $0. Then you can click OK. On this page, you'll want to confirm that your address is correct and all of the following information is accurate. Once you've agreed to the materials agreement, you can click Next. On this page, you will enter information regarding your buying influence and any other questions required. Once you've answered all the questions, click Next. On this page, you'll be able to add any additional registration options you would like to add, such as the town hall meeting, retailer's lunch. If you would like to add a class, click on the time slot and then click Add. Once you've added all of the classes you would like, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, this blue section will confirm all of the classes you've added. If you've added a class by accident, click Delete. If this is correct, click Next. On this page, you will receive a confirmation of all of the classes you've added. Here, you will see your discounted price since you are a member of TNNA. Below, you will see any classes you added. Once you are finished, click Pay. Here, you'll be able to see your invoice where you can email it to yourself or download it. And down below, you can pay with credit card, by check, or return to your registration. If you would like to pay by credit card, click here. You'll be able to enter your credit card information and submit payment. If you would like to register someone else, after you've submitted payment, you can go back to the TNNA website and back to the summer show registration here, and you can click Register Someone Else. Here you will be able to enter the other attendees. And click OK. It will recognize that your other attendees are either a member or non-member. Regardless if they're a member or non-member, enter your same discount code and click Update Payment. This will reduce it to $0 and click OK. You will follow all the same steps you did for your registration to complete their registration. Once completed with their registration, do this for each additional attendee. Once you've registered all attendees, you'll receive a confirmation email with all the information.